Yeah, living in the Caribbean, guys. Welcome to my world. You know, we hang out, we work, I do work, but when I have time off, I'm in the Caribbean. The beach is right there. Keep watching this video. I'm going to go to the beach right now and show you that. But this is how we hang out. We drive around on little vehicles like that. There's 12 months of summer, never get a hurricane. We have no bad weather here ever. There's never any bad weather. And we just have fun, but we do work, we do make money. So keep watching. I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can make money with me and also on your own. But I have a program where I mentor people and I show you how to take your business, your current business, whatever you're doing, and I show you how to scale it online, generate thousands and thousands of leads on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, and then teach people how to do what you know how to do. Whether you're a doctor, a lawyer, a judge, you own a restaurant, it doesn't matter. Whatever business you're in, a mentor, a coach, maybe you're a football coach, you want to teach other people how to become football coaches, right? You can do it online with an automated system, selling an online course, and people will buy it. Or number two, they will pay you a lot of money to personally show them live. That's what I do. Keep watching. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Living in the Caribbean. Me and little Anna Gabriela from Peru. Say hello. Hello. We're going to try a drink. It's called Four. And if you guys keep watching, I'm going to show you exactly how to get this drink. Well, we're in the Caribbean of Mexico, and right down the street I went to the store, and we're going to sample these different drinks here from a company called Four. Now they have four different flavors.
Four Loco.
Yeah, Four Loco.
Like you.
Four Loco, like crazy. We're gonna sample these right now, so you're gonna sample them. So here we go, Baby Pro. The first one is blue. Four Loco Blue. Now you can see right there it says 12% alcohol. Not a lot of alcohol, but if you drink 2 or 3, you might get drunk. But it tastes good. We're gonna sample it right now. Okay, baby, sample that one. Let's see what it tastes like. This is the Loco 4 Blue, Azul. Let's see what that tastes like.
I like it.
You like it? All right, you got to drink the whole thing.
Oh my God.
She likes it, but she only drank a little bit. You got to drink the whole thing, right? Okay, perfect. Now, the second one is Loco 4 Gold. Loco 4 Gold. And as a sponsor of my YouTube channel in this video, Loco 4, you guys can pick up at your local OXXO, 7-Eleven, or any supermarket and look for Loco 4 in your Loco area.
Four Loco.
Exactly. All right, try this one. This is Gold, Loco 4 Gold. Let's see what that tastes like. Wow, that looks really good. And it looks sexy. What do you think?
Good, I like it.
Which one you like better, the blue or the gold? Blue or gold?
Gold.
Okay, the gold
For
is
now.
the winner for now. Now we'll try the last one, which is Loco 4 Purple. And how do you say purple in Espanol?
Púrpura.
Purpura.
Púrpura.
Purpura. Purpura. Yeah.
R, púrpura.
Sounds good to me. Purpura. She says it better than me. Sounds like poo-poo. All right, let's try it. Purpura. Loco 4 Purpura. Mm-hmm. Drink it, the whole thing. Like you're drinking milk. All right, perfect. Drink it all. You like it?
Wow. That's better.
Okay, so which one wins? The blue, the gold, or the purple?
This.
Which one?
This.
Which one? The purple! Yay! All right, so she gets the a big prize. She wins the contest. She gets the purple Loco 4 purple drink. Let's fill her glass up, and she can drink that one. because I'll drink the other ones. All right, Loco 4, go check it out. Go pick it up at your local supermarket. Go online, look it up, Loco 4. It's excellent. It's pretty good, right? 12% alcohol, not bad. It's not, too strong, but it's not like too weak, like 5 or 6% like a beer, right? And it tastes good. It tastes really good.
It's like a cocktail.
It tastes like a cocktail, like she said. Wow, I love it when she says cock.
Like cocktail.
Tail. All right, keep watching my videos. So again, walking down the street here on famous Fifth Avenue, we got a Salsa Band right behind me. Check this out. From Havana, Cuba. Amazing. Living life in the Caribbean, baby. So if you are older, if you have a lot of money, if you want to live how to live a paradise lifestyle, if you want to learn how to drop all of your expenses, literally, I'm serious. I live on $700 a month, but I make $700 an hour. I make over $40,000 a month living in the Caribbean. If you're interested, I'm only talking to you. You know who I'm talking to. Comment below and come and see me live. I will put you on a personal plan, and I will teach you and show you and set you up with my lifestyle system.
We're at the tequila restaurant with the naked, I don't know, there's no head. And we're gonna go have some fun tonight. Arriba!
As I walk up to my friend's restaurant, which I'm gonna keep watching my videos, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna buy some food. My girl's hungry and she's going crazy, right? But we had a really good day today. I made over $3,000 today for selling one product online. So if you want to learn how to make $3,000 using the #1 system on the internet created by Amazon, I have it. You need to contact me right now. Click on the link in the description below that says set up a live 30-minute, no charge, complimentary call on the phone. I'll show you how to do it. I will get you on a computer live like I did today. I got a client on the phone today live, and I showed him how to set up a system in 1 hour, and he's selling products already. You ready? Come follow me. They've got excellent food. Here we go, my friend. Say hello. Hello. David from New Jersey, Pizza Express. All right, now listen, we're gonna put it in order.
Okay.
6 chicken wings.
All right.
We're gonna do, make it 12.
12?
We'll do 12 chicken wings. Now listen, here's the menu. You guys follow me. Everything I do, you need to do exactly what I do. So here's the menu again, which I'm gonna take another video here in a second. But you wanna come here. When you come to this area where I live, I have a condo right on the beach. If you're hungry, just come here, come here. They got pizza, they got chicken wings, they got Italian food, meatball parmesan, the chicken parmesan, the bolognese with pasta, they got everything. They got tacos, they got Mexican food, they have everything. So we're putting in a quick order.
Do you want barbecue or buffalo?
Just normal.
No.
That's for the chica, the esposa.
Okay.
She doesn't like spicy. I like spicy. So we're gonna do 12 wings.
Anything else?
And then we're gonna do a chicken parmesan sandwich. Give me some little extra tomato sauce. Little extra tomato sauce because we're Italian. I think he's more Italian than me. So David, tell everybody, are you Italian Mexican?
No, I work in an Italian restaurant in New Jersey.
In New Jersey?
Yes.
But where are you from?
I'm from Acapulco.
Acapulco, Mexico. But you lived in New Jersey for how long?
30 years.
30 years. 30 years.
Since I was a baby.
Since he was a little baby, yeah, with his mom. Your mom here?
No, she left.
Okay, so we'll come talk to the mom tomorrow. But David is a very good friend of mine. Excellent food. Come here. If you're watching this on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, anywhere, you come here in Playa del Carmen. I'm going to send you the address and the link in the description below. The food is amazing. He's making a pizza right there. Look at the pizza. Everything's fresh, right from the oven. You come here, okay? So click the like, smash the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. But follow me here. Come to David's restaurant, okay? He'll take care of you. I've got the whole menu and everything in the link in the description below. Pizza Express, the best food in Playa del Carmen. You know, Italian, baby. Italian, okay? All right, keep following me. Hey, I got some more information for you. Keep watching my video because I'm going to show you how to make money selling the #1 product in the world, where I make $2,000, $3,000, sometimes $5,000 a day just selling this one product automatically. And people click on the link, buy the product. I don't do anything. I just post an ad. Post an ad, I make money. Post an ad, you make money. But get the food here, okay? So what they do is they deliver food on these little scooters here. We got some scooters, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if David will let me. I'm gonna bring my food home to my condo on this scooter, okay? We're gonna check this out. See if I kill myself. This scooter right here. There's the scooter. Keep watching. Let's see if I make it home. Taking the scooter. I'm on the scooter. I'm heading home. Here we go. Hold on. Let's see if this works. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on the scooter. I'm riding the scooter home. Wait. I got a major problem right now. Oh shit! I'm about to crash. Hold on. I'm on the scooter. I got the food. I got the scooter. I just don't know if I can make it home. Keep watching. All right, we're in the home stretch. I got about 100 feet to go. I'm trying to get back to the condo with the food on the schooner. Hold on. Oh, she's very happy. She's being very nice. Thank you. Buenos noches. We're trying to get home on the scooter. Oh, on the scooter. We're trying to get home. Look at this. I got the scooter. I got the food. I'm at the condo. I'm at the, they got the building behind me. I made it. Woohoo! All right, keep watching my videos. Smash that like button, click the notification bell. I'm gonna go give some food to my babies, my baby girl, my baby boy. I just made a home in the Caribbean on a scooter. Keep watching. I got more information for you. I love you guys. Keep watching. Click that like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Everything I do is to help you live a better lifestyle and make money. The scooter made it home with the flip-flops. Living in the Caribbean, baby. My paradise lifestyle. The scooter got me home with the flip-flops to the little baby boy.